Ashwini Kekan, Shruti Magdum, Satish Boblade and Anup Malla have made this structure ladder. We are the students of MIT Academy of Engineering R&D from School of Computer Engineering and Technology. Our problem statement was ladder. So today we are going to start with introduction of bamboo. Let's begin with understanding what bamboo is. Bamboos are typically fast growing perennials with some species growing as much as 30 centimeter, which is 1 foot per day. The woody ring strings known as cones are typically hollow between the rings and grow in branching clusters from a thick rhizomes, which is underground stem. Next we shall see the different types of bamboos. The first one is runner, second one is hardy clumping, and third one is tropical clumping. Next we need to see advantages of bamboo. The first one is tensile strength. Bamboo has higher tensile strength than steel because its fibers runs axially. Second is fire resistance. Capability of bamboo to resist fire is very high and it can withstand a temperature up to 4000 degrees Celsius. This is due to presence of high value of silicate acid and water. Elasticity. Bamboo is widely preferred in earthquake zones due to its elasticity. Fourth advantage is weight of bamboo. Bamboos due to low weight are easily displaced or installed, making it very easier for transportation and construction. Fifth one is, unlike other building materials like cement and asbestos, bamboo poses no danger to health. Sixth advantage will be they are cost effective and easy to use. Seventh one can be they are especially in great demand in earthquake prone areas. Now we see what are the risks of bamboo. So the first disadvantages is they require preservation. Second one is shrinkage bamboo. Bamboo shrinks much greater than any other type of timber, especially when it loses. Advantages is durability. Bamboo should be sufficiently treated against insects or fungus attack before being utilized for building purposes. Fourth one is jointing despite. Prevalence of various techniques of jointing, structural reliability of bamboo questionable. Next thing we see is how to preserve the bamboos. Throughout treatment of bamboo is required to protect it against insects and root before it is put into use. Commonly, mixture of borax and boric acid are utilized for this purpose. Another procedure generally employs is to boil cut bamboo to remove the scratches and draw insects. Last, as we conclude, bamboo as a building material has a high compressive strength and low weight, has been one of the most used building material as support for a concrete, especially in those locations where it has found in abundance. Bamboo as a building material is used for the construction of scaffolding. Bamboo as a building material is used for the construction of scaffolding, bridges and structural.
So now we will start with the applications of the bamboo. The first application is it can be used anywhere in the shops or home. Second application is if you do same arrangements, it can be used in kitchen as kitchen trolleys. Third application is this ladder are used in a cafe and home as a bamboo ladder suits traditional look. Next, planning and designing. The mark and the drill holes decide where you want to rungs of ladder to be on the bamboo poles. For the 6-foot poles, we recommend 5 runges spaced 12 inches apart. Mark where the holes we will be drilled on the bamboo poles and make sure the marks are exactly as the same size and distance on the both poles. Use the drill and paddle bit to drill holes where you have marked the members. Now cut and attach bamboo sticks. Decide if you want your finished ladder to have straight or angle sides. For straight sides, we use a saw to cut the bamboo sticks for the runges at the same length, approximately 20 inches. For angle sides, cut the sticks from the runges at increasing lengths. We recommend starting at the 20 inches and increasing measurements by an inch and a half. Assemble the ladder by coating the ends of the bamboo sticks with the glue and inserting them into the holes. Next, the cutting of the bamboo as per the measurements. 8 bamboo of length 250 mm, 12 bamboo of length 440 mm. Now, preparing a fishbone joint as a joining technique. To add strength to the joint at the top of the mouth and the column should be cut close to the node. So we use the diameter as a reference. First point, between the node and the end of the column, draw a line around the surface. The distance from the end of the column and the line should be as same as the radius of the beam. Second, with your pencil, draw an approximately shape for your finished fish mouth. Hold the column and saw along the diagonal for the use of drilling machine or use the drilling machine. Third, then carve out the mouth space shape in upwards motions as working in the same direction as the bamboo fibers. Next point, take the third smaller piece of the bamboo. It will act.
So hello everyone, myself Anup Malla. I am from computer department, second year. So our product is ladder. So first we have taken two vertical bamboos of equal length, that is 8 feet, and then we have made markers for fixing the members. So we have made markers at equal points, that is 1 feet. So then we have drilled here at the pointers for fixing the 6 members. So then we have made fish mouth at the both ends, at vertical end also and at horizontal members also. So, and we have fixed them with the help of central key. We have fixed central key here. So after that we have done same with all the 6 members, and then we have made locking keys for extra support. We have fixed locking keys here, 2 here, and 1 at this position. So total 3 at one side, and total 36 locking keys will be required. And then we have made a fish mouth at the end of the joints and fixed one central key for fixing it to the outer frame. So according to previous information, so these are 2 bamboos we have taken of equal length, and we have cut 6 members of equal length, that is 1 feet. And in all 6 members we have made a fish mouth at the end of the bamboos. So we have fixed it with the help of central key, and after that we have put locking keys for extra support. We have put 3 locking keys at one side and other side also 3. So total after 6 members, connecting 6 members, we have used 36 locking keys and 12 central keys. And we have later at the end we have made fish mouth also for fixing it out at the outer frame using central key. Thank you.
Hi everyone, myself Satish Bogdate from School of Computer Department in MIT OE Aldi. We made the product bamboo ladder under the guidance of Professor Bhaskar Ambedkar sir. Now I will explain the cost estimation of our product. There are 2 main types of the costs, which are direct cost and indirect cost. In which indirect cost, there are 3 types: cost of raw material, cost of labor, and cost of electricity. In cost of material, we use the raw material, which is bamboo. We use the 4 bamboos of 7 meters, and the rate of 1 meter of the bamboo on government side is 25 rupees. So the total cost of the 4 bamboos is 700 rupees. And the cost of labor, we choose the skilled laborers, which takes 250 rupees per day. We use 4 laborers, so the total cost of the labor is 1000 rupees. Then we use the 18 units of electricity to make this product. So total cost is according to the MSP, the 1 unit price is 7 rupees. So total cost is 18 into 7, which is 126 rupees. So the total direct cost is 126 rupees plus 1000 rupees plus 700 rupees, which total is 1826 rupees.
Is all aspects related to bamboo. Bamboo is uniquely tall and fast growing. It is strong. The strength of bamboo comes from a microfiber structures in it. Because of that, the strength of bamboo is greater than the steel and concrete. Next is bamboo is flexible. The flexibility and fracture toughness of bamboo came from the special cellular material in these plants. Bamboo structures consist of fibers which covers internal structures, giving it strength. Bamboo fiber is mainly three parts, including lignin, cellulose, and hemicellulose, which have an important role in physical characteristics in flexural strength. Bamboo is beautiful and it is used in architecture.
Start.
Pre-test analysis on bamboo. There are some various techniques and pre-test for testing the material or to see how strong the material is, to see how the actual material of bamboo is behaving, and to see how strong it is or what is the capacity for further need to which we use it. And we got some of the laboratory ideas for pre-test that are: first is compression strength test on bamboo, compression bamboo joint test, and shear strength test.
Start.
Compression strength test on bamboo. Being a natural product, the compressive strength and other mechanical properties of bamboo vary by location.
Start.
Being a natural product, the compressive strength and other mechanical properties of bamboo vary by location, age, and type of species. The compressive strength of bamboo is roughly situated between 40 and 80. The compressive strength of bamboo is roughly situated between 40 and 80 Newton per meter square, which is twice 4 times the value of most timber species. The difference in results, test methods, and samples that were used. Conclusion. The properties of bamboo as a top-grade building materials and its increased availability in our country makes it possible to use bamboo in the field of construction extensively. Its high-valued utilization not only promotes economic development but also saves forest resources to protect our ecological environment as a wood substitute. We successfully made a prototype design of bamboo ladder by studying the different aspects of bamboo. This prototype is constructed in a workshop, and after finishing it would become a complete product.